All right, so we have a real world scenario where we're talking about gardening. And so they say that Kama has a circular garden with a radius of 3 feet. The diameter of her neighbor's circular garden is 2.5 feet longer than the diameter of Kama's garden. How much landscape edging does her neighbor need to border her garden? And we're going to use 3.14 for pi, and we're going to use that to round to the nearest hundred. All right, so we are looking for her border is going to be the perimeter, right? So the perimeter is her circumference. So we're looking for the circumference. We know that if we're talking about the circumference, that is going to be equal to the diameter times pi, or pi times diameter, whichever way you want to write it. And so I noticed that the circle that she has there, one of them is 3 feet. So we're going to talk about that. This is 3 feet, and that's her radius right here is 3 feet. They're saying that hers is 2.5 feet longer than the diameter, right? So if it is 2.5 feet longer than the diameter, this is 2.5 feet. They've shifted the circle, as you can see. They shifted the circle from being at the center and moved it so that they line up here. Okay. So if we wanted to fix it back, so we've got like this is what they've given us here, and this is 2.5 feet. If we wanted to make it where we're trying to see what happens, where it's centered, it would look more like this. We'd have our center here. You'd have your circle, which is 3 feet, and then you'd have the other one, which is all the way around. If we shift this circle back out, we know that this is 3 feet, and remember, this is 2.5 feet. But that was all of the distance that we had here. So in order for us to find out the diameter, what you need to do is you need to divide this 2.5 by 2, because this is going to be your diameter, which means that needs to be cut in half. Half of it is here, which is 1.25, and the other half is over here, which is 1.25. Okay, so altogether, if we shift that over, then that's how you see the 2.5 there. All right. So we know that her diameter, remember, this is the radius, so this would also be a 3. And really, all you're doing is just adding all of that together to figure out what hers is going to be. So hers is going to be, the diameter of hers is going to be 3 from the center plus, let's see, hold on 1 second. So the diameter of this one would be 6. Okay. And then the diameter of hers, remember, going from the edge all the way to the other edge, you're just saying, hey, 6 plus 2.5, which gives us a diameter of 8.5. Okay. So the diameter of the larger garden is going to be 8.5. So we're going to plug that in up here. So our circumference is going to be equal to 8.5, which is the diameter, times pi. And we're going to use 3.4 and 3.14 in place of pi. So we're going to say that C is approximately 8.5 times 3.14. When we multiply that, 8.5 times 3.14, we come out with the circumference is approximately 26.69, and that was feet. Okay. So your answer then is going to be 26.69 feet is what we have.